Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 22nd of the Leetcode Daily Challenge, and looks like there's a weekly one later on. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem. Excel sheet column title. Seems like it's a new problem for me, so okay, let's take a look. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding title as it appears in the Excel spreadsheet. So you're given the number and you're returning the column. They kind of have this a little bit backwards, but okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, and it can go as big as int goes, or signed int anyway. All right, so I think the first idea is just kind of, let's see. I mean, the first idea is just kind of try to figure out the pattern, I suppose. Let me see if it makes sense to. Is it a base 26 thing? Don't know. Don't think so, right? Because it's because basically the first one digit or one character thing, there's 26, and then it's 26 square for obvious reasons, but this is the sum of these things. So I think we can just figure out how many characters it is, and then from that we can figure it out. Yeah, so then now what's it called? Is it column names or column whatever? Let's just say naming things is hard. I'm just gonna say 0 0 while column number is greater than what is it? Greater than or equal to power of 26 to C. Then we column number subtract power of 26 to C, and then C increment by 1, right? Is C 0? C 0 0? Okay, yeah. And then, before we go further, we can take a look to see what we're doing for the inputs. Okay, so we have one character and is the first one. Is that what I think? Is that accurate? One is because now we have. Now this is one base. That's why it's a little bit awkward, actually, I think. Because then now we can do Z. Let's add in something that I think would be interesting, which is 26, 27. Right? So 26, I think it should have 2 characters, but it should have 1. So I think that's the case where, yeah, because we're doing what? Okay, because the number is 1 based, that's why. So yeah, so we can actually just subtract 1 from the get-go. I think that would probably make it cleaner. So yeah, so now this is 1 character, character 0, and now 1 and okay. So yeah, so now this is what we expect, or what I expect anyway. So yeah, and then now it just becomes a straight 26 character or base 26 number with that number of characters. So yeah, yeah, and then we could just mod it, right? So enter right. So while column number is greater than, well, technically, I guess we should do something like this, because we have to take care of the 0 cases, and yeah, and then we append column number mod 26. Column number divided by 26, but here we want to convert this from A to Z, right? So actually we want the other thing. We want this plus order of A, right? And I think that should be good enough, except for this is backwards, so we have to dot join reversed answer, and I think this should be good. Yeah, let's give it a quick submit. I want to say, I mean, we could try the big number, but I don't think it matters after a certain point, right? What is it? I don't know what 2 to the 31 is, so I'm just gonna write 2 billion. Yeah, I mean, if it looks good here, it probably should be good. So let's give it a submit. Unless this goes in infinite loop or something. Why is this so slow? No, this can't go in the... Huh. This... Oh. I think maybe I was just lagging. I was like... I don't... Actually, this shouldn't be that slow because this grows exponentially. So this is O of n. Or roughly speaking. I'll say that later. But yeah, but it seems like it was very fast. It just... I guess there was just lag. Yeah, so what's the complexity here, right? So this is very confusing looking, but this one grows in base 26, right? So what is that, like 5-6 characters maybe? I don't know, but 26 to the whatever is equal to the first. You can also do math based on log of 26 over log 2 for binary, and then reverse math that way. But either way, if base 2 log of 2 of 31 is going to be 31, this is going to be less than 31. So you could say this is roughly, I mean, this is still log n, where n is the number, if you want to say that. Of course, that's just linear in the size of bits. And of course, for each bit, for each bit, or each base 26 bit, that's not a bit, but base 26 digit, we kind of do one of these things, and then we just reverse it. So this is going to be linear time, linear space. Remember, linear is in the size of the input, and the size of the input is the number of bits representing the number. So that is going to be linear time, linear space. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you had fun with this one. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.